I just saw this video with SpaceX and supposedly this rocket landing on a drone ship. This is complete garbage like usual. I'm going to show an image here of the drone ship. They call it more like a sail barge. And give me a break how this thing supposedly comes straight down. You've got a rough ocean. You've got the elements, the wind and whatnot. And supposedly they can have this rocket come straight down. Let's take a look at this footage. Complete garbage. There's no audio. They kind of sped it up a little bit. But the entire point of this is to prove the ball Earth. Look how you see this rocket pointed at an angle like parallel almost, and somehow it adjusts itself and comes down for a straight landing. Give me a break. There you go. It's all about proving the ball Earth. Now you got a rocket in the bottom. How does this pencil, basically a flying pencil, regain itself and land straight down like this? What a complete joke. I understand people want to believe this is real. When I was a child, I wanted to believe, that unicorns are real, that dinosaurs are real somewhere in Africa, still alive today, that there was a pot at the end of the rainbow, but this is not reality. People are still children. They believe this is possible when it's not. And where's the amateur footage of this? Let's get a little bit of a close-up here. And again, look at this. Look at these swells hitting the side of this barge. You believe this thing can really land like this? Give me a break. No way. But, people love the fantasy because it's better than reality. Let's take one more look at this, just to see how fake and phony this is. All it is propaganda. It's ball Earth garbage. Go from that position. I understand with a rocket, but what is the mechanism to straighten it out after being basically parallel and coming straight down? Someone want to explain that? I don't think so. Complete garbage. That's all SpaceX is. Nothing but propaganda, nothing but lies.
Earth, throughout its life, even when it formed, it was spinning, and it got a little wider at the equator than it does at the poles. So it's not actually a sphere. It's oblate, and officially it's an oblate spheroid. That's what we call it. But not only that, it's slightly wider below the equator than above the equator.
A little chubbier.
A little chubbier.
Yeah.
Chubby's a good way. It's like pear-shaped.
How do you like it? They tell you all the time what to do, what to think, what to feel. Do you want to be like a sheep? Like all those other people, man? Do you understand? That piece of shit up there, I never like him. I never trust him.
This is a group of social criminals. These people in the space program. Nassholes, I call them.
Space, the final frontier.
Space may be the final frontier, but it's made in a Hollywood basement.
Fascinating, fascinating, fascinating.
Astronauts to the moon.
The Force can have a strong influence on the weak-minded.
Conspiracy theorists.
They've been crazy, but now they're right.